Hey there, it's the Soap Witch, and it is time for another edition of In the Making. So in this one, I am making my third batch of beer soap for my new line, and I call this one this fragrant crisp and no clean and crisp. That's it. So anyway, I've already mixed up the lye. You saw the steamy goodness, and then I poured the beer and lye mixture in with the oils, and that's what we have here. So now I'm just going to stick blend. I think I tried to get it to stick blend a trace earlier. It didn't work out, so I stick blended some more, and now I'm stirring and whisking until my arm falls off. Sometimes it just feels that way. Okay, and so here, when I get a good volcano, I gotta share it, and so they can sneak up on you. They really can, because at first they don't look like they're moving, and then pow, it's gonna come out the pot. So anyway, it had a slow burn coming on, but I just kind of know what they look like, and then they just start growing. It's kind of crazy. So there it goes. It picked up the pace, it picked up the speed, and then I was like, all right, maybe I need to stir this down. So I don't know, I just think it's so cool. It's like they can be very dangerous if you're not careful, because it's hot. It's like, I don't know, 200 degrees or something. Anyway, so I stirred it to within an inch of its life and mine. And now we are at the done phase pretty much here. And so I usually at this point go ahead and add my full fat Greek yogurt. And again, it doesn't have to be full fat or Greek, but that's just what I like doing. So I like to whisk that in thoroughly. And this is what they call, it looks like this, they call it the Vaseline phase. You can kind of see why it looks that way. Anyway, just some, a little note. So the green that I mixed in there was called Maniacal Pea, Mad Micas and their funny names. And then the activated charcoal for the black. I poured in my fragrance. One of my favorites. It almost smells like freshly laundered clothes. I mean, I don't know about you, but I love that smell. So anyway, I'm gonna separate my soap into two different containers and add that fragrance in. Stop that. Add that color in. We already added the fragrance, Lauren. And we're gonna stir it in thoroughly so that it's got every bit of soap coated, because I don't want any, stray pieces of soap sticking out like a sore thumb when I go to pour it. So I'm continuing on with my modified in the pot, because I really liked how it worked with the last batch, and so that's just what I'm doing here. I just layer in the colors. I like to make sure I have a good amount of both on top, so that when I start pouring, I don't just have a single color pouring out, because I just kind of want it to be swirled and mixed all the way through. So there's my little stir just to get it all kind of combined, and then get my sloppy pour on. I do eventually get better at this. But still a work in progress. So I'm pouring and then kind of cleaning it up as I go, and that's the wet soap look. Wet soap pictures are always so vibrant. We used to have it in a group where we would just show wet soap pictures. Okay, tangent, my bad. Anyway, so that's that. I didn't actually get a picture or a video of me pulling them all out, and taking them out the molds and all that, but this is the finished products. I love the way they look, so stay tuned for the next batch.